This can't be a mess. I'll fix it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh God, here we go. Help! So by the way, in some North culture, if you sneeze 3 times, it means you get money. Did you guys know that? Did you guys know that? If you sneeze 3 times, it means you get money. So, I'll just wait. Because, oh. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Sorry. Fuck. Sorry. Fuck. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I don't know where the last one went. I need to sneeze again. I did not get nuggies. I got a medium McChicken meal. I've been sneezing a little bit since I had to stick the thing up my nose.
Inclinations have proven surprisingly durable, and the cultural implications of the 2 drinks can go beyond the simple coffee-tea dichotomy. In Britain,
I need to sneeze. It's really widely used here in Australia. Oh my God, $30 worth of content? Sorry. It didn't work. Fucking hell. Hold on. Oh no. Well, it's not lighthearted, but the title is inflammatory. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I need to sneeze. Oh, fuck. One?